braving the salty sea air, enjoying the beauties of nature.
Captain Carmen knows what he's doing.
Salty sea spray. With a beautiful sunset, I might add.
Yes, with a beautiful sunset. Man, I gotta come out there.
Even with the raging tempest, nature can still be beautiful.
Yeah.
Okay, here it comes.
There's my girl.
Wow, that's a nice one.
Hey.
Love you. You love that hat, don't you?
I can buy another one.
Sure?
Yeah.
We'll get wet, but I can go back and get it.
No.
Okay.
Sorry.
Can you hold the camera? We're about to lose Oswald. As for Victoria, going Carmen View. Faster than the new Oswald. You had a good life. We try to honor him when we can.